Good morning, my dear students. How are you? I think you all are learning English. Nowadays, you all are busy with your preparation for the different kind of examination. So today I am just going to tell you how to speak good English. My dear students, many times I have seen many students speaking broken English. So today we will learn spoken English fluently, correctly, and without stoppage. So now let's start. So just I want to ask you, do you want to learn English? If you want, you can say yes. I wanna learn English. How to say I wanna learn English? I wanna learn English. I want to learn English. So in place of want to, while speaking, you can say I wanna. Here you can say I wanna. I wanna learn English. I wanna learn English. It means I want to learn English. मैं अंग्रेजी सीखना चाहता हूँ. If you want to use wanna in different sentences, you can make yourself. You can just try yourself how you can speak in English. Like, I wanna be a doctor. I wanna be a teacher. I want to talk to you. I wanna talk to you. Simply you can say, I wanna talk to you. कितना आसान है. बड़े ही आराम से अगर आप चाहें तो अपनी डेली लाइफ में want to को रिप्लेस करके आप wanna बोलें. काफ़ी अट्रैक्टिव होगा, काफ़ी अच्छा होगा और बोलने में भी खूबसूरत लगेगा. अक्सर देखते हैं बड़े बड़े स्टार्स, बड़े लोग अक्सर स्पोकन इंग्लिश में कुछ ऐसे स्लैंग वर्ड आते हैं, कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स आते हैं जो डेली यूज़ वाले वर्ड्स आते हैं. रिटन में आप वांट टू का प्रयोग करें, बट वेन एवर यू आर गोइंग टू स्पीक, यू कैन स्पीक आई वाना टेल यू ए स्टोरी, आई वाना go to different places, I wanna teach you some new tips of English. So in place of want to, my dear students, you can use I wanna go, I wanna teach, I wanna dance for a while, I wanna sing a song, I wanna write a letter. So simply you can use in place of want to, wanna. Now let's start with second word. One word you can use wanna. For that you have to practice a lot. Practice, practice and practice, because practice makes a man perfect. If you want to be perfect in your life, if you wanna speak good English, if you wanna tell everyone everything in English, you must practice it. So wanna means want to. What is the meaning of wanna? W-A-N-N-A, wanna. Wanna means want to. Yes? Do you wanna speak English? Say yes. If yes, then try and try. Now let's start with second. One word is there, going to. Going to, or to be going to. Generally we speak I am going to take a bath. मैं नहाने जा रहा हूँ. I am going to teach you English. I am going to talk to you. So in place of going to, you can use one word, gonna. In spoken English, in daily use English, in our daily life English, we can use gonna. Gonna means going to. I gonna tell you a story. I am going to tell you a story. I am gonna talk to you. I am going to talk to you. I am gonna read a novel. मैं एक नावल पढ़ने जा रहा हूँ. I am gonna read a novel. I am gonna do this work. मैं एक काम करने जा रहा हूँ. So simply you can use wanna means want to, gonna means going to. So simply how you will speak in your English, just practice it. If you want to speak very good English, you have to practice it. I gonna teach you some new tips. Today, I wanna talk to you a lot in English. So how you will speak these two words in your daily life? So you must practice if you want to speak very good English. So in your daily use English, in your daily spoken sentences, in every walk of life, you can use wanna means want to, gonna means going to, but make sentences. With this, I will say goodbye. Those who are new, those who are new learners can join my channel English Mania by Harivansh sir, and you can learn so many new things. I have already taught so many tips of spoken English, but today very small but attractive. You can learn with this. Thank you.